Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Alda Nurviana and I'm from Mechanical Engineering B, and I will make a video assessment about thread type, and I will explain some kind of the thread. Thread is a code that wraps around a shaft on a long hole with a specific size. As a unifying device, meaning that uniting some component into in one unit of finished good. And I will give you a few examples of the thread type. First, triangle thread. The shape is a triangle. For example, is I found the thread. It is acne spot cream. This is an example of triangle thread. The second is a square thread. The shape is a square or box. For example, I found the thread in the bottle Lipton. This is example of square thread. Third, trapezoid thread. For example of trapezoid thread is a bottle sunscreen. Trapezoid. And this is example of trapezium thread. 4 is a radius thread. For example, radius thread is a lamp. Example of radius thread. And the last, saw thread. For example, I found in a Maybelline lipstick product. And this is example of saw thread. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video is useful for all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.